Hello, my name is Graham, MD. I'm from the University of Denver, and today I'd like to introduce you to my ThaiFloodMap. In this project, I'm modeling inundation areas and flood risk in Thailand's Chao Phraya River Basin. I'm building my map in Google Maps JavaScript API, and I'm hosting it on my personal site. So let's quickly look behind the scenes. You can see that I'm also using Google Fusion tables to connect my data to my map. And basically there are two ways that flooding occurs in Thailand. First, you have the river banks overflow, and secondly, there's heavy rainfall. So for the rivers, I'm getting my data from thaiwater.net, and they provide daily water levels at each of these stations. And you can see here that the bank at this station is 5.87 meters above sea level, and so anytime that the water level is higher than that, that indicates a flood risk. So flood risk areas I've associated with each of these stations. So far I only have 6, but I will make more flood risk areas. But this first zone here we see is at 26.2 meters above sea level, down to 21, and 21 is the altitude of the second station. So between those two stations we have this flood zone. So anytime that the Nakhon Sawan station at 26.2 meters floods, then this flood zone is indicating a warning. So the second major reason of flooding in Thailand is heavy rainfall. And for this I get daily precipitation levels from NOAA. And you see these different stations. So anytime, let's see if this is Nakhon Sawan here. Anytime there's heavy rainfall at this station, that will indicate a flood risk in that area, or also downstream. So I also calculated the watersheds taken from the Department of Water Resources, and so if there's heavy rainfall in the Nan basin, then there'll be a flood risk in that area or downstream. So basically you have your river flooding and your heavy rainfall causes of flooding, and in the end I'll show something a little bit simpler based on that data. So basically there'll be a green color to indicate that there's no flood risk, yellow color to indicate that there's a warning, and red color to indicate that there is flooding. And that is my map, and thank you for listening.